Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, place your fabric tightly in the embroidery hoop. And thread your embroidery needle with your favorite embroidery floss. Tie a small knot at the end of the thread. Today, we are going to learn one of the most basic and beautiful embroidery stitches, the back stitch. Bring the needle up from the back side of the fabric at the starting point of your design. Insert the needle a small distance ahead to make the first stitch. Pull the thread gently. Now bring the needle up again, a little ahead of the first stitch. Then take the needle back into the end point of the previous stitch. This is why it is called a back stitch, because we stitch backward to create a continuous line. I'm carefully following the traced pattern and making small, even stitches for a clean finish. Backstitch is one of the easiest and most useful embroidery stitches for outlining designs beautifully. Here, I'm stitching the ears and head outline slowly to maintain the curves smoothly. Now moving to the body section of the teddy bear. Try to keep the stitch length equal for a more professional look. This simple design looks elegant even with basic stitches, and that's the beauty of hand embroidery. Take your time while stitching the tiny curves and edges. Neat back stitches always make the final design look more polished. Once the design is completed, secure the thread at the back side with a small knot. After tying the knot, pass the extra thread through one or two nearby stitches to secure it neatly. And trim the extra thread. Now let's continue stitching the remaining portions in the same way. To finish the eyes, I'm using French knots here. Bring the thread up. Wrap the thread around the needle 3 times. Then carefully insert the needle back down while holding the thread gently in place. And that's how a French knot is made. Here, I'm using satin stitch to fill in the shape of the nose. This helps create a smooth and neat finish for the design. These tiny hearts are filled using satin stitch. It adds a beautiful and charming detail to the overall design. And that's the final look of this cute teddy bear. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Begamia. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.